Hello, and welcome to the InfoZoom video series. My name is Stephen Pesklow. I am president of SoftLake Solutions, and today what I'd like to talk about is weekend and holiday analysis. Now, this is a very common need for analysis, especially in audits and anywhere we're doing criminal investigations. We're typically wanting to analyze AP transactions, looking at T&E for potential fraud and abuse, purchase cards, P card transactions, or overall just monitoring overall business compliance to specific policies that we have. So to do that, it's really quite straightforward in InfoZoom. You just select the day that you want to analyze, and InfoZoom provides a function. It's called date group that explodes out all the details of a date into different quarters and months, and I'll show you what that looks like. And then we go ahead and identify those weekend transactions. And then we also want to consider holidays. So we have a little bit different way to doing the holidays. So first thing you do in InfoZoom is you bring in data. Now we have videos that describe how to bring in the data from multiple sources. Once you have it in memory, then you can go to an overview. The overview then smashes all the data together and it gives you this one big screen view. So right here is a transaction date, and you can see overall what the transactions here look like: 926, 620, 926, etc. To look at the details, you go and look into this funnel, and then you can see the dates starting at 912 to 1011. So it looks like I have about a month's worth of purchase card activities here. And then you can see the overall total. So I can see that 929 was our most highest number of transactions. So the easiest way to get information about these dates is to select the attribute, go under analysis, and then date group. So when you hit this date group, it's going to happen kind of quickly, but it's going to create a subfolder with all the details of these dates. So I can see here that by individual years, calendar weeks, days, which is also very interesting to see, but then again also weekdays. Hit the little funnel, and then you can see the number of transactions, and again I like to graph it. So then you can see here that about 2.4% of my transactions are occurring over Sunday, but 1.7 are occurring over a Saturday. This will be very interesting. I can go ahead then, now that I identified these, I can just drill into these two and then zoom in. So I'm now at my 209 transactions out of 5,000 that are occurring over weekend. Then I can go ahead and look at what, um, the details of why this might be. So that's basically it for the weekend. It's really quite straightforward. Now for a holiday, we need to identify first our holiday schedule. So the way you do that is you bring in another file, and I'm going to tile these together. So here I have a file that really just describes my holiday calendar for both the United States as well as Canada. So here then I can see 1/1 is New Year's Day. And so all I really want to do is I want to select my transactions again here, transaction dates, and then I want to import or join this data over to here. Now InfoZoom is totally in memory, so this could be a database, this could be an Excel spreadsheet. It makes no difference because it's all being managed in memory. So I can go under data, select my attribute, and then hit join. So if I hit join, it's going to add, it's going to first ask me, are you sure you want to do this? I said yes. It's going to give me an informational message saying that 4,999 of them did not have a holiday, which is fine. We're okay with that, out of a total of 5,000. So if I hit OK, you can see here what it did. And I'll make this bigger. But you can see that it went ahead and brought in your holiday calendar underneath your transaction date. So I can go ahead and look at my dates. Here's 10/10. And that is my one transaction that occurred over a holiday. So I can double click into here and investigate further what is here. So I can see it's Columbus Day in the United States. No transaction should be occurring. October 10th, and there was a check issued to a vendor called Ward for $19,216,000. Obviously, this is a concern. I can then take under analysis, I can mark this selection and go further with my investigation. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be publishing more. If you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, good luck with your InfoZoom analysis. Thanks.